Every time you eat a tomato, an eggplant, or a potato, you are eating a nightshade. In the wild, this plant family is known for producing some of the most dangerous natural poisons on Earth, like deadly nightshade. But over thousands of years of agriculture, humans selectively bred these plants, turning ancient chemical weapons into global food staples. A normal potato is perfectly safe. It is a dormant, harmless store of starch. But that ancient, toxic defense mechanism isn't gone, it is just sleeping. And it only takes a single ray of sunlight to wake it up. If a potato is left in the light, it prepares to sprout. The skin turns green. Now that green color is just chlorophyll, the exact same stuff in spinach. It is completely harmless, but it is an alarm bell. It tells you that an invisible, highly toxic reaction has just been activated. Wherever you see that grain, the potato is pumping itself full of a natural poison called solanine. Solanine is designed to paralyze insects and punish animals. If you eat a truly green potato, this chemical acts like microscopic sandpaper in your gut, physically irritating your stomach lining and causing severe cramps. But if you consume too much of it, it may even target the nervous system, jamming the signals between your brain and your muscles. You might think cooking it will save you. It won't. Boiling water hits 212 degrees Fahrenheit, but solanine doesn't even begin to break down until it hits a scorching 465 degrees Fahrenheit. Boiling, baking, or frying a green potato does absolutely nothing to destroy the poison. The rule for the kitchen is simple. If the potato is green, it has reverted back to its wild nature. Peel the green away entirely or throw it out. Respect their biology.